I pulled the rabbit out of the hat there too, Patrick. So I really wanted to move to the tech banking group. I knew that was a really highly regarded group inside of Morgan Stanley. It obviously leveraged my tech background, which I wanted to continue to do. It was in California, which is where I lived and wanted to be. And so I reached out to internal recruiting. I said, I want to go work in that group as an analyst. And they said, well, there's no hiring going on right now. Okay. A month later, I want to go work in tech banking. There's no one hiring. You can't put you over there. Okay. I went out and I got a job offer from another bank, and I went back to recruiting and I said, hey, I want to stay at Morgan Stanley. I told you that 3 months ago. Can you, I'm going to go leave if you don't give me an offer. And within a week, I had an offer at Morgan Stanley.
I love it. It's a very good lesson.
Yeah.
It's a very good lesson.
It was risky as heck and scary. And I could have.
Can you tell me where you got the other offer?
It was at Lazard.
In SF? In
SF, yeah. The MD sat across from me, and my interview went really well at Lazard. They clearly had a need. They liked me. And in my first round of interview day, the MD sitting across from me said, look, I think we're going to get you an offer. And what we really shouldn't do is you shouldn't go back to Morgan Stanley and try and leverage this, because by the way, if they do that for you, you can't trust those guys. I was already countering and anticipating I was going to do that.
Oh, shit.
And he was right. And that's what I did. And it worked.